Take a look at our electric underground hydraulic excavator working inside the coal mine vertical shaft. This video shows real site slag removal operation in narrow vertical shaft space. Many underground projects face a tough problem. Conventional excavators are too big to work in limited shafts. Our machine solves this headache perfectly. First, it has a compact small body, flexible turning radius, and can move freely in narrow underground tunnels and vertical shafts. Even tight working areas will not restrict its operation. Though the size is small, it comes with strong power. Powerful digging force can handle rock and slag loading efficiently, greatly improve your construction progress. Another key advantage is the electric driving system. Compared with diesel machinery, it produces zero exhaust pollution underground. No harmful gas emissions, protecting the working environment and miners' health.